You click this video because you're dealing with annoying elbow pain, maybe from lifting, gripping, or just doing the things you love, and you've heard about shockwave therapy. Well, you're in the right place, because today I'm going to explain how shockwave therapy can help with both tennis elbow and golfer's elbow. Why these conditions are so common, especially after 50, and what you can expect from treatment. Here's what we're covering today. What tennis elbow and golfer's elbow actually are, why they're so frustrating to treat, how shockwave therapy works, what a session feels like, and how long it takes to get relief. And make sure to stay until the very end, because I'll be sharing the most common mistake people make after treatment and how to avoid it so your pain doesn't come back. If you're over 50 and want to stay pain-free, mobile and strong, without relying on painkillers, cortisone injections or surgery, then make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications. Here on the 10X Physio channel, we give you expert tips and treatment insights to help you move better, feel better, and live a healthier life. Hi, I'm Gavin Noble, founder of Gavin Noble Physiotherapy here in Lisburn and the host of the 10X Physio channel. We specialise in helping people aged 50 and above stay pain-free, mobile and strong, so you can keep doing the things you love. And on the bonus side, stay out of the doctor's office. That includes dealing with elbow pain from tennis elbow or golfer's elbow, two conditions we treat every single week here in our clinic. So let's start with what these conditions actually are. Tennis elbow, also called lateral epicondylitis, is pain on the outside of your elbow round here. Golfer's elbow, or medial epicondylitis, is pain on the inside of your elbow, which is on this part here. So, despite the names, you don't need to play tennis or golf to get them. They're both caused by tiny micro tears in the tendons where your forearm muscles attach to the elbow. And they usually come from repetitive use, gripping, lifting, typing, gardening, DIY, or even carrying shopping bags. It's incredibly common for people over 50 because tendons naturally get weaker and less elastic as we age. Now, here's the frustrating bit. These conditions don't heal quickly. Why? Because those small tears in the tendon often don't get enough blood flow, which means the healing response is slow or stalled. And every time you grip, lift or twist your forearm, you're re-irritating that particular area, even if you're trying to rest. You might have tried ice, straps, painkillers, or even injections. And while those things might help short term, they don't fix the underlying problem. Now, that's where shockwave therapy comes in, and it's changing the game for people just like you. So, have you been dealing with elbow pain for more than a few weeks? Or is it stopping you from enjoying everyday things like lifting a kettle, opening jars, or playing sports? Drop a comment below and tell me how long you've had it, or reach out to us directly here at Gavin Noble Physiotherapy. We'll help you figure out if shockwave therapy is the right step for you. Plus, don't forget, at the end of this video, I'll share the number one thing people do wrong after treatment that holds back their results. You don't want to miss it. Shockwave therapy uses high energy sound waves to trigger healing in the damaged tendon tissue. It's a non-invasive treatment that helps by breaking up scar tissue, increasing blood flow to the tendon, stimulating new collagen production, which tendons really need to heal, and reducing pain by calming irritated nerves. It's safe, it's clinically proven, and it's used by elite sports teams and top physios around the world. And the best part, you don't need surgery, injections, or time off work. So, what happens during a shockwave therapy session? You'll sit comfortably while we apply some gel to the area. Then we use a handheld device. So this is our shockwave handheld unit here. So we'll apply that to the area, like so. This delivers an acoustic pulse directly to the painful tendon. It feels like a deep rhythmic tapping. Some people find it slightly uncomfortable at first, but most describe it as totally manageable. And just remember, it's not an electric shock, it is just a sound wave that's been delivered to the tendon. Each session can take anywhere between 15 to 30 minutes, and there's no downtime. You walk in and out in the same day. Most people generally need 6 to 10 sessions, spaced a week apart, depending on how long you've had the pain and how severe it is. Now, let's talk about results. Some people feel better after the very first session, but most notice gradual improvement after around 30 treatments. You'll feel less sharp pain when gripping, improved strength and range of movement, less aching at night or after activity. But here's the key: shockwave therapy works best when combined with targeted rehab. So we always give you a simple, effective exercise plan to strengthen the tendon as it heals. And here's the big one, the mistake you want to avoid: stopping too soon. Many people have 1 or 2 sessions, feel a bit better, and then return to lifting and gripping without doing the rehab. This almost always leads to a flare-up. To get the best results, you need to commit to the full plan. Remember, that's 6 to 10 sessions, plus the right movement and strength work. That's what leads to lasting results, not just short-term relief. If you want to learn more about how shockwave therapy helps other conditions like Achilles tendon pain or plantar fasciitis, click on the video here, which is tagged on the screen, to keep watching. And if you're in Lisburn or nearby, or just want a chat with a real expert, head over to gavnoble.com, where you can get in contact with us via our chat on the website, or we can also arrange a free consultation for you here. It's a discovery visit that we offer people who just aren't sure what is going to help them. So, I'm Gavin Noble from the 10X Physio channel, helping you stay pain-free, mobile and strong, so you can keep living life on your terms. I'll see you in the next video.